In this video, I'm gonna share with you my collection of Sansevieria, what variety I got, where did I get them, and how do I incorporate them as my home decor. These plants are also known as snake plants or mother-in-law's thumb. I love these plants because they are very low maintenance. They thrive in high, moderate, indirect light, but they can also tolerate low light situation, which I have in some corners of my home. And also they are drought tolerant, so I don't have to water them that often. I only water them like every 2 weeks, which is in my advantage, especially with our lifestyle here that we do everything. One thing that I love them is because their foliage is just gorgeous. They present with different shape, size, and color. So here are my collections. So we will start from this corner. I decided to plant 2 dwarf Sansevieria in the lower part of this pot because I just feel that it's empty and it needs something. And this area here is quite challenging because of the low light situation. So by the way, I got this plant from a very good friend. So now let's go to my precious card. By the way, I got this card from TG Maxx. So I decided to combine different kinds of Sansevieria in this corner. So I will get the effect of different texture, color in this corner. So there are 7 plants here in this cart. Look at the first plant that I have here. Isn't it pretty with the leaves that are silvery gray to light green in color? I got this plant from Tallahassee Nursery. Next is the Black Gold Superba, which is very distinct because of its green leaves, which are edged in gold. I got this from local Lowe's store. And then I have my Cylindrica, which I got from IKEA. This is Moonshine, which is distinct of its dark olive shade colored leaves. I got this from Home Depot. Got this dwarf golden from Tallahassee Nursery. And this last plant I got from Walmart. Now let's move to the ladder which Larry made for me. I am so proud of his support for me being a plantita. So my goal here is to make this wall full like a vertical garden. But the light here is challenging because it's in the middle of the house. So it has relatively a low light situation. So I imagine that the only plants that will thrive here are Sansevieria and pothos. So let me share with you the pothos or the Sansevieria that I have. in this ladder. And the last but not the least is this corner here. And the last one is my whale-fin Sansevieria. She is the queen of all queens. And would you believe that this was just given to me by a co-worker? Yeah, lucky me. Well, thanks for watching.